In 2017 alone, Vertex earned £2.5 billion from the sale of Orkambi, and the chief exec was paid more than £17 million. And of course, pharmaceutical companies like Vertex do play an important role in the development of innovative medicines, and there is money that goes into that, and I entirely accept that they should make a profit as a result of that. But to pursue excessive reward at the cost of patients' lives is, I believe, morally bankrupt. Just treatment. And they and a range of experts in the field, as I've said, have made contact with a generic manufacturer of the drugs who can supply UK patients with a safe and effective version of Orkambi at a cost to an individual CF patient of just 30% of what Vertex are charging. But that's why the government needs to step in and help them. And the most effective way the government can do that is by pursuing a Crown use licence for Orkambi. The Honourable Member for North Herefordshire raised the possibility of this in the context of access to medicine for CF patients in the House a few months ago. By using the legal provisions set out in Section 55(1) of the Patents Act 1977, the government has the power to suspend Vertex's patent on Orkambi and overturn the monopoly. One of the primary objections put forward by the government when considering the viability of this route in the past has been the time delay in developing a generic product, with concern that this could take years. But as I've just said, there is now a generic product that is on the market. The government should also explore the funding of a large-scale clinical trial, which would actually enable the NHS to utilise the research exemptions which exist within intellectual property rights law to use the generic version of Orkambi. This approach has been used before with the HIV prevention medication PrEP, ensuring that tens of thousands of patients were able to access the drug while its expensive branded counterpart was still under patent. If the government is unwilling to pursue either of these routes, would be to provide personalised health budget payments to help parents and patients meet the cost of the generic drug. People are absolutely fed up with this deadlock between Vertex and the NHS, so I would urge them to look at these more imaginative solutions.